said I'm gonna fit into your groove. I don't wanna be different, said I'm gonna be just like you. Cause I'm so about the say they play on the radio. I'm gonna dance like cause gonna do just what I'm told.
I can't hear anything. I'm gonna lose hearing in my ear.
Listen, you're a witnessing genius.
My ears are experiencing a meltdown. I can't feel anything.
Can't you feel the energy? It's tangible energy. The room's alive with positive vibrations.
I'm frightened. After they sing, they're gonna take hostages. No, please. No.
You want some?
No.
Come on, Nick.
No, you've been doing that all night. You're gonna burn a hole and you're gonna develop a third nostril. No, please. Can we go?
No. I love songs about extraterrestrial life, don't you?
Not when they're sung by
Oh,
extraterrestrials.
well, I cannot communicate with you. I never realized you were such a tight ass.
I don't understand you. Your sisters, both sisters, have such good taste in music. I don't know